This is the Gerber Guardian, and it's going to come in this nice set together in this nice clam package. You're going to get the knife and this large lanyard key ring. They're actually calling it a monkey's fist keychain. It is so large. It has a black paracord wrap with this hard ball knot that you see here at the end, and that is 4.5 inches overall. I did not take that out of the package just because I'm trying to do the least damage to this as possible, but you will see the nice key ring, and there's the monkey's fist. Now for the Gerber Guardian, this is the knife that will come with it. The Guardian is putting in this nice flashy kind of lime green color here, help you to kind of find your knife if it does happen to get buried anywhere. I love it here because it has the dual thumb studs for opening, and with just one flick of the knife, whew, feel that. You'll see your nice green overlays in the scales. Nice grip, help you secure that. Now the blade itself is 2.5 inches. It is black coated. It is made with the 420 HC stainless steel. A point blade. Here it is, the G10 scales on your handle with moss green anodized accents and the liner lock. It does have your lanyard clip on the back, or lanyard slot, I guess the hole, for that key ring to slip through, and a black stainless steel pocket clip. So very nice looking, a nice feel. Clip knife and tactical keychain. Comes in this nice set. Great for all your outdoorsmen. And this is the Gerber Guardian 31-002660.